Hello! Today we will create an Arduino Uno project. We start by naming our project and selecting the folder where we will place it. Then just do as I do. It is very important to note that in order to simulate an Arduino in Proteus, you need to download its library first. But don't worry if you don't know how. Make sure to check the video I put in the description. It is short, it explains everything well. Let's continue with the simulation. For this project we need an Arduino Uno, an infrared obstacle sensor, an LED, and a logic state. Then we start wiring. While waiting for the code to be ready, don't forget to subscribe and like, because if you are an embedded electronics student or beginner, you will absolutely love my channel. By the way, check out my content. I have many projects and many tutorials. This section defines the pin connections for the eye sensor and LED, assigning them to Arduino pins 2 and 13, respectively. The setup function initializes the eye sensor as an input and the LED as an output, preparing the system for operation. This section continuously reads the eye sensor's status using the loop function. If the sensor detects an object sensor status equals 1, the LED turns on. Otherwise, the LED remains off. In order to import the code from Arduino IDE to Proteus, we first save the code at a folder. You can choose any folder you like. Then we compile, and finally we go to the Tools section and select Export Compiled Library. Now let's import the code in the Arduino Uno board. We do this by double-clicking on the board, and then we go to the folder where we saved the Arduino code. We will find 3 files. We select the one ending in .hex. If you get a fatal error simulation, make sure to view the video I put in the description. And there we go. Don't forget to subscribe. You will find my channel very helpful if you are a beginner in embedded electronics.